Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to Weekend Updates. This is where I tell you what's going on in the craft room, new stuff that came in, projects that I may have started even though I had a million more going, all that kind of stuff. It's just real life crafting, not tutorials, nothing like that. So if it sounds interesting, stick around, and I do this almost every weekend, it seems like. So this week, I got Spot and Sticker Birds in the mail. It's an outdoor school book, over 400 illustrated stickers, and they're really realistic. It came Amazon, shipped to my house, so that narrowed down pretty quick who sent it to me. So this was from Tony, and she must have seen it online and sent it to me. These are so cool. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to maybe peel some off and ink the edges or put gel matte medium over them. Some of them you can see are like a stamp. There's just so many. You guys are so sweet, but there's just, I can only use so much bird stuff. Noni says we should keep making bird journals because she likes birds, and at the rate we're going to make bird journals all year. But I want to get to butterflies. We have to do butterflies, and pretty soon we got to clean up and set out the holiday stuff. Look at these. We could do bird holiday themes. Like this would have been good in a fall journal. So we could just move it into like a bird winter journal. Is that weird? Do the birds leave? Yeah, I don't know if that works. Look at that one. Did you see that big blue one go by? Woo! So anyway, super cool. And $10 online, I think. Just showed up from Amazon. Okay, this is from Rondita, and she is Rhonda, but she's Rondita95 when you see her on YouTube. And this is the first time I've gotten Happy Mail from her. I don't know what she's up to, but she told me she sent me something, and I said, why do you guys spoil me so much? And she said, because we like to see you open it. And then she said this has something to do with birds. So she didn't want me to wait until I was all done with the bird. Oh, she's got more in here with the bird journals too. Oh, that's cool. Open it up. Look at those printables with, oh my gosh, free digipapers. Oh, so this is a YouTube channel and website. Those are really cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can see why you said be sure to open this before you finish the bird journal. Oh my gosh. I have all of my bird stuff set aside. Choose happy or magical. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. And I haven't been working on it, you guys. So it's here in plenty of time. Look at that washi. That's a cool one. I think it's washi. It's a nice big one. Thankful and blessed. Look at that. And she's torn the paper down the middle. That's really neat. So it's a slimline vertical. And I don't see a lot of those. So that just makes it even cooler. And I don't know if you can tell, but the pumpkin is an orange shimmer paper. And she's got vellum and ribbon on here. Oh my gosh. She wrote so much stuff. So much good stuff. Look at the back. Paper, ink, love, and then she signs it, Rhonda. And look on the inside. She stamped this awesome owl for me just so I'd have a touch of blue. She said she sent some of the same napkins to Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts. And she's got bird stuff in here, Joy of Blue, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's take a look. Now, she said these frames are more interesting on the back. Oh, I see why you said that. But they're cool, both sides. They are, have you guys done genealogy, like really old pictures where they were like cardboard? That's what these are. If I go through pictures with my grandma, they have stuff down there at the bottom like this, and it'll say who took the picture, and then all the people in them look really, really unhappy because back then they weren't having any fun getting their pictures taken. These are pretty fun. I have to think about how to use them, but I see why you like the back better. You could cut them up and then use this as a small pocket in a journal. Very neat. Blessings. These are cool. And remember, with napkins, you really don't need me. Okay, Somebody sent me one of these before, didn't they? And I just loved it. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, I don't have any of this one. There's definite joy of blue here. And it's not like I'm working ahead this month, so I haven't started anything. This is cool. Really nice pattern and interest, and it would go with just about everything. It's like a blue, green, gray. And then some really neat fall patterns here. This is fun stuff, Rhonda. I will find you on Instagram. She uses a different number on there, so I don't know if she's public. We'll see. Oh, I'm not going to throw these out. I can use these. Some ink bleeds a little. Oh, I see. This one probably not, huh? Oh, maybe color it. Maybe I'll color it and use it, but the red one's for sure. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Rhonda. Tons and tons of good stuff. Okay, I better put some of this bird stuff just right behind me on the right table, not mix it in. And I don't have a printer, so I totally appreciate that you printed the printables for me. And these are free printables, just so you guys know. She didn't, buy a printable and mail it to her friends, because I'm pretty sure that wouldn't be cool. So just so you know. Oh, I see. There's a bird right there in that one. I have to look around and be sure. Maybe I missed some birds. Oh, that's what you were talking about the purple. That's fun too. Is it like a Mardi Gras thing? I think it might be. Yeah, that's really cool. Look at that one. Okay, I'm going to put these with the bird stuff. The bird stuff is a whole 4-foot table right now. It is tons. I would probably have to make like 10 bird journals. And the thing is, we all love making ephemera and finding things to layer. Last weekend was Halloween, and we tried something different at our house. We took Wilson, we went out in the shop, we locked up the house, and we watched TV, and it wasn't stressful. There wasn't angry barking. The little kids didn't panic and run away. So I think that's how we're going to do Halloween again. So while I was sitting there watching TV, I was coloring birds. And I think I posted some of this on Instagram. I had stamped them out. This one I got washi or some tape stuck to and damaged it, so I won't color that one. This one I started, but after I colored birds in a row, my hand was kind of tired. And I used Prismacolor pencils and Gamsol. It's not really skills I have, but honestly, I couldn't find my watercolor pencils, and so Noni just gave me some of that stuff to use for blending. And it was fun. It was really fun. And I love these stamps that Kathy sent me. I think I could have spent hours figuring out, okay, I like these leaves and I like these colors for flowers. And some of my pencils are a little old, tired, and stubby, but they get the job done. They're from my sister. It's not that I have the patience to use up colored pencils. So I'm putting those on the bird journal table also. And I sent some overdue thank yous this week. And my apologies if you get postage due from me. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing brought me the receipt, and I didn't think much of it. And he told me how much it was, and I said, there was at least one in there that should have been a parcel. And he said there was somebody new at the post office, and the guy was really perplexed. So my apologies. Paula, I think you're going to have postage due. I'm so sorry, my friend. I hate it when that happens, but I don't know what to do. My apologies. Sorry. It is Smash Our Stash weekend, and I did what we talked about. I worked my way down the counter, made a big old mess under here. I'm not quite done. And I did make some process video of it. So what I'll probably do, I don't know if I'm done yet, because I still have some things right here that I could finish assembling. I'll probably finish up Smash Our Stash, get that filmed, and then there's probably going to be some process video from it on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know if I will have process video for every single thing that I show, but I just went down the counter and went, hey, this would be fun with this and this. And at first I was trying to just use things off the counter, but I needed cardstock and basic stuff. Tomorrow I have a friend coming over who is not a paper crafter and has decided she wants to make a scrapbook and decorate it. And I tried to explain that that's really a lot for a newbie, but she totally has the talent. Remember the quilt that I put a picture of in updates like a week or two ago? Maybe a month, I don't know. Anyway, that's her, and she's decided she wants to do some paper crafting, and Noni and I are going to set her up if she wants to. My room is a mess. I do not have room for a friend. I guess I could just set up another table for her and fit her in, but I'm going to try and get cleaned up. She won't be here until Saturday afternoon, so that should give me some time to make room for her. When you invite your friends over, make room for them. I hope that you are having a crafty weekend. I know lots of you are doing craft fairs or you're shopping craft fairs. Some of you, your weather is changing and it's getting chilly. It's raining a lot here, but not bad. Hopefully you will see some amazing videos come out. I think on the bird journal, I've had 3 videos come out, but so far I haven't sewed a single one together. So I need to see some progress and less playing with birds and stickers and ephemera, but there's so much good stuff. And I did list a journal last weekend. I was pretty proud of myself. I put a listing in Etsy, so this journal and all its giant goodie bag to make a kit. And then another big thing that could either go on the cover or be taken apart, or just for a pink lover, you should have it. So I got that listed. I still have a bunch of stuff I haven't listed, but I may get around to it. Oh, okay, still more bird stuff. Noni loaned me this beautiful blue fern stamp, so I have that. But what I wanted to show you is Susan Tootsie Tucker, whose channel name now is Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker, is doing a hard candy Christmas collab during November. And I was looking for something holiday-ish and fun to do. So I am not going to start it this weekend because we're doing bird journals. We've got to get this place cleaned up. But Noni had candy, stamps, and chocolate doesn't ask questions. Chocolate understands. And these cute stamps, and then some dies, and these layering ones. So I'm going to play with these and do the hard candy Christmas collab. And it is, I believe, 3 days in November. And I think it's Saturdays, if I remember right. So I'll shuffle updates to Sundays, or maybe we'll skip one if 2 collabs land on a weekend or something. But that is what else I have going, because I think I hadn't started enough things, right? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking great care of yourselves. Bye-bye.